How to download songs from Suno AI. So first open your application and you will find a library. From here you can create songs. However, if you are watching this video, then of course you have created a song and you want to download it. So then first go to your library here. This will be the library, and when you see, you will find your songs you have already created, but you have no idea how you can download it to your device. So that's why you are watching this video. Of course, I know that. So to do that, tap these three buttons. As you can see, this button, tap this button and scroll down. You will find the download song option. All you have to do is simply tap here and it will load like this, and after some seconds your song will be downloaded on your device. So this is pretty simple. This is how you download songs you have created on Suno AI. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.